Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel, you can find videos all about self-empowerment and development from a mental, emotional, and spiritual perspective. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please feel free to subscribe. Today, I am discussing the law of giving as described in the 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by the amazing Deepak Chopra. The law of giving, also known as the law of giving and receiving, is the flow of energy in the universe. So it is literally all about the circulation of energy. This law states that we must give and receive anything we want to keep in our lives. This includes wealth, money, affluence, and everything else. It's important to note that money symbolizes the exchange of life energy. We get this life energy by the service we provide to the universe. If we stop the circulation of money, then we stop money from circulating in our lives. For example, if we hoard money, we are stopping its circulation. So it is going to be blocked from coming into our lives. Circulation is what keeps the energy of money flowing and alive. This applies to anything else in our lives, not exclusively money. If we stop the flow of giving and receiving, we are interfering with nature's intelligence. We are interfering with the natural order, if you will. All of this to say, the more you give, the more you will receive. Anything we believe is valuable multiplies when it is given. It is so important to understand the following. If you give something and feel a sense of loss, or you give reluctantly, you will not experience increase. The intention behind giving is the most important thing. This also applies to receiving. The intention behind giving should always be positive. It should be to create happiness. We should give from our heart. It has to be sincere and genuine. Your return, so what you receive in your life, will be proportional to the energy behind giving. When you give, it's important to feel joy, or at the very least, feel positive, feel good about whatever it is you are giving. Only then does the energy in your life increase in terms of receiving. For this to apply, we have to give from the right mindset, have the right intention, and feel good overall about giving. One of the most powerful ways to apply the law of giving is by giving others anything you want in your life. Let me give you an example. If you are looking to get more love in your life, to experience more love, you need to spread love to others. Another powerful way to apply the law of giving is by giving anytime you encounter someone. Please note, this does not mean you have to go giving everyone you come across a physical material gift. Not at all. It is so much simpler than that. You can literally give someone a compliment. You can give them your attention, give them affection, show them love. Overall, you are holding space for them and you are giving them something on an emotional level. I just go back to literally giving someone a compliment, showing you care, listening to them. That is the law of giving in effect. Like, you're coming from a sincere place of showing others that you're there for them and you care. This can also be a silent gift. So someone doesn't necessarily even have to know you are sending them this gift. You can wish someone happiness, joy, love, peace, prosperity, anything positive and that is sincere is so powerful. And just because you don't tell them doesn't mean that it doesn't count as giving. It definitely does. You are giving on an energetic, vibrational level, and that is still very powerful. In case you don't feel comfortable verbally complimenting or giving love or affection or care to certain people you may not really be familiar with or kind of know on a personal level, you can definitely apply a silent gift in the form of good vibes or anything else. It's so important to remember that our true nature is abundant. We must know this, we must feel this, we must believe this. This will also ensure that we tap into the law of giving in a more natural and sincere way. So if we have any blocks when it comes to abundance or giving, we have to let those beliefs go, let those thoughts and feelings go. Anything that no longer serves us, it's not the truth. It's just, once again, letting that go. It's about tapping into our true and abundant nature. Another critical part of the law of giving is, of course, the law of receiving. We must learn how to receive graciously, how to receive with gratitude, and overall not feel blocked when another person or life, if you will, tries to give to us. This is essential. If we really want to get this law down and apply it in our everyday lives, which I highly recommend, we need to not only get really clear and good about giving, we also have to be good about receiving. You have to believe and know that you are worthy of receiving. If you feel resistance when something comes your way, when someone tries to give to you, you are essentially interfering with that energetic flow that is literally coming your way, and you're in a way kind of blocking that other person's energy, because if they genuinely have good intentions, they are participating in this powerful and amazing law, which is the law of giving. So when you don't know how to graciously accept, or you do receive something but you're ungrateful, it's not helping you. That's all I can say. It's not helping. So important to learn how to receive, and quite simply, anything that comes your way that is positive, clearly, be grateful. I will be honest, there may be circumstances where maybe it's best not to receive, but that is definitely a personal choice and something for each individual to decide on. There are situations where someone could have ulterior motives and they may present something as a way to, how can I explain this? You know when someone gives something to you, but right away you sense, wait a minute, there's something behind this. It's actually not coming from a sincere and pure and good place. They are giving me this particular thing because they want something in return. Like they're kind of keeping tabs on what they give you. And that's a personal choice. At that point, you decide whether you want to accept that gift, because I also think you don't want to put yourself in a bad situation or situation where you feel uncomfortable and you somehow feel like it's not a good choice for you. So I would also say check in with yourself, but for the most part, you know people in your life who genuinely care about you. They mean well. There's an energy behind giving that you will know when it's sincere, and you will probably get a certain vibe when it's not. So listen to yourself. Listen to that part of your gut, call it your heart, your intuition, whatever you want to label this. Just trust yourself in that way. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.